Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the startups, connection sounds, disconnection sounds, and shutdown
Bluetooth.
sounds.
Heading. Connect to accessories you can use for activities such as streaming music,
speakers.
making phone calls, and gaming. Learn more. Link.
So here we go. This is my first ever speaker. I'm going to show you in the order I got them.
Bluetooth. This iPhone is discoverable as Manny's iPhone. Bluetooth. Switch button. Connect to accessories you can use for Bluetooth. Switch button. On.
Sometimes it takes a while. Oh.
Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Switch button. Off.
There's not really a disconnection sound for this one. See, there's not really a sound for this
Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Switch button. On.
I don't know if I should show this one first or the other one first.
Alert. Connection unsuccessful.
Sweet
Okay.
Super
Button.
Days.
Bluetooth. Switch button. On.
Power on.
Oh, flip.
Bluetooth mode.
This iPhone is Bluetooth. Switch button. On. Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth. Switch button. Off. Speech off.
Bluetooth disconnected.
I'm not sure if you heard that.
Power off.
Should this one.
Speech off. Bluetooth. Switch button. Speech off.
This one. Mm-hmm. Stop. This one glitches a lot.
Speech off. Bluetooth. Switch button. Off.
Thinks I'm letting
Bluetooth.
go sometimes.
Bluetooth. Switch button. Speech off.
Okay, this one is going to be a shower one. Well, this is a speaker, a Bluetooth one, but it's typically supposed to be used in the shower, for as far as I know. It keeps taking me to these. So, this is a it's a Bluetooth speaker, but it's an iconic. It's got a suction cup on it, so you can stick it to something, like in the shower. It's a speaker. So let me fix the charging. So, and turn this on.
Speech on. Bluetooth.
This
Switch
one
button.
tends
On.
to glitch.
This Bluetooth. Switch button. On. Speech off. Speech off. Bluetooth. Switch button. Speech off.
Yeah, it makes that sound right disconnect. Shut down. Guys, that was all the startups, disconnection sounds, and the startups, connection sound, disconnection,
Speech
and
on. Settings.
power
Back
on
settings.
sound
Back button.
of my
Settings. Heading.
Bluetooth speakers.
Search. Search field. Jody Martinez. Apple account. Jody Martinez. Apple account. Jody Martinez. Apple account. iCloud. App switcher. Settings. Active. Photos. App switcher. Closing photos. Weather.
App switcher doesn't want to open. Yes, I'm using voiceover. Okay, and I'm gonna put these speakers back. I'm gonna leave my phone here. It's still recording, by the way. Had this one in a drawer. Not sure why. So just me taking my shoes off. Well, that was all the shutdown sounds. Wait, those are the startups, connection, disconnection, and shutdown sounds of my Bluetooth speakers. Thanks for watching.